You are watching Wise Tech Engineering YouTube channel by Mohammad Abdul Mehboob. So this problem I am going to explain you on the isometric view. So how to draw this problem I am going to explain in simple way. So please watch my videos till the end and also share, like and subscribe my channel. And also press my YouTube channel bell icon to get you the more notifications of other videos. And now I am starting my question. Draw the isometric view of the machine component shown in figure. See, this is the machine component of front view and top view. This is the orthographic view. So this is the front view and top view. According to this front view and top view with the dimension, we have to draw the isometric view. So how to draw? Means first you have to draw these lines of 30-degree angles. And then after on this 30-degree angle only we have to draw the isometric view. So this is the front view and top view. This front view I am drawing on this 30-degree angle line, and this top view from here only. So how to draw this I am going to explain you according to dimension. First I am drawing the front view from here. Means from here if I see front view, it should look like this. Okay, so that only we have to draw on this 30-degree angle. Then measure this distance, how much it is. Total distance is 25 plus 35, 60. 60 plus 15, 75. Means 75 I will have to take from here the distance. Okay. Wait a second. This 75 we have to take from here. Then I am taking from here 75 mm here till here. This line I have taken the distance. Okay. Now the remaining height is how much? Height is 20 plus 15 is 35. Means this line is of 35 mm. So we have to draw 35 mm straight according to this line parallel to it. Exactly perpendicular to it, and this line will be 35 mm. Okay. Then after this line is 25 mm. So with this angle parallel to this 30-degree angle, we have to draw that line 25 mm. So from here we have to draw 25 mm line like this. Okay. Then this line is 15 mm. Like this. And this line I don't know the dimension of it. Even it is in front view also, it doesn't give you the dimension of this line, and on the top view also. So now we have to draw the top view. Top view means this line, this figure. Standing here only we have to draw this figure whole. So from, if you see the figure, we have to draw this figure. Means what is the height of this figure is 30 plus 20, 50. So according to this angle we have to draw the 50 mm line, angle line. This height is 50 mm, so I am drawing 50 mm line from here like this. And 50 mm, this line is how much? 25 plus 35, 60. So this line we have to draw 60 with this line parallel. Then this line over, now this line is 20 mm. So this 20 mm line we have to draw with this angle parallel. How much? 20 mm, no? Yes. 20 mm. Then this line I don't know, but this line I am having the height of 30 mm. So this line I can draw. The remaining line I will get. It should be parallel to this angle, so 30 mm from here, and this line I will get automatically. Okay. Then this line is of how much? We don't know. No, that much line is of this line only. So this much distance is there. So we have to copy this. And this length we don't know. So we have to keep it like that only. And we have to draw this line is of 15 mm. So from here also we have to draw 15, 15. Why means I will show you how it is. Okay, then join this line. You have to understand the question first. Okay, if you see from this is the front view. We are drawing front view from here. Okay, with this surface it should be visible, means I have to draw this remaining line surface. So this is visible. So you have to draw this from the front only. This box is visible from the front. This box is visible. The remaining this box we have to draw. So how to draw, mean by completing front view and top view will automatically get. So then after you have to take this distance also. How much it is? 3 point something 4, 3.3 I think. So draw that 3.3 also from here. Like this, it should be parallel to this angle only, like this. Okay, means which line we have drawn? Front view. This is the front view line, this line we have drawn, and this line is of 20 mm. So draw that 20 mm line straight. Automatically this line we will get. See, now from front view this surface is visible. And if you see from here, this surface is visible and this surface, that both surface we have drawn. Then remaining this line, this box we have to draw here. How we the dimension only we have to draw, but this dimension he doesn't give you in the front view. Only height he has given you. Already we are having the heights, so that the width of this boxes we don't know. Even in the top view he has not given you the width. So we have to draw according to the length. Then remaining if you see from the top, means this surface is visible from the top. If you see, this surface is visible. I have drawn that only, and this surface we have to draw. So how much is the distance with this line? Already he has given you the 15 mm distance, this distance. So we have to take the 15 mm distance from the here, but with this angle parallel to it, 15 mm, like this. Okay, then this line already I have drawn, and this line I have to draw. That is of 20 mm. That is the height. Means we have to draw 20 mm line. Automatically I get 20 mm line. Then this line is of 30 mm. So if you see from the top, this line is of 30 mm. So we have to take with this angle parallel to it 30 mm line, like this. Okay, from here also you have to take 30 mm line, like this, and join this. Okay, and remaining these two lines, you join it. Automatically you will get how the front view and top view, isometric view. Okay, now you see the figure. Okay, if you see from the front, this is the front view. If you see from the front, this L-shaped section is visible. This L section is visible, so I have drawn that. And this box is exactly straight of this box is visible. I have drawn that also. And this box, this is having this line from the front, this line surface is also visible. So all these three surfaces visible from the front that I have drawn. Then from the top, if you see from the top, this surface is visible, and that also I have drawn. And this surface is like somewhat slant. I mean, this surface is visible from the top. That is a top view. Okay, and not the side view is not given, so you don't do that thing. And this is the isometric view of this machine component. Hope guys, if you like my videos, please share, like and subscribe my channel, and also practice by yourself. Then only you come to understand, and please do by yourself. And please, if you like my videos, please share, like and subscribe my channel, and press my YouTube channel bell icon to get you the more notifications of other videos. Thank you.